Hello friends, welcome. Krishna Balu here. On Ahmedabad Air India craft crash, I already made two short videos. It's available in this same channel. Please go and watch it, or complete this watching this video, then go back to that video. I raised some interesting points, very interesting observations. Many people appreciated. Please keep a watch. Preliminary report has been in our hands. It listed on a timeline what's all happened. If I count the entire timeline, it comes to 29 seconds. Mind it, 29 seconds. That is starting from the first fuel switch cut off. From that time onwards till it crashes. That means the recording stops. Till such time, the length of timing is 29 seconds. But in fact, if you see the actual footage of the live video of the aircraft falling, that records only 14 seconds. 14 seconds. Right from the same point. When the fuel was cut off, from that time onwards, it started descending, it's falling. From that time till it touches the ground, I made a recording with a timer. Please watch, that is 14 seconds. Here it is 29 seconds. Exact the same things happen in between the period. Why this difference in timing? How they are going to explain? What is the mystery behind this? I will explain. This is as per the EAFR. That liftoff time I will leave it off just now. We'll start from 8:42 second. Fuel control switches moved from run to cutoff. At this spot, here it is believed the cockpit pilot voice was heard but time not noted. Next, 8 hours, 8 minutes, 47th second, RAT deployed. That is after 5 seconds. At 8 hours, 8 minutes, 52nd second, cutoff to run. The fuel switches were moved from cutoff position to run position. This happened after 5 seconds. Next, Mayday call happened at 8 hours, 9 minutes, 5th second. That is after 13 seconds after cutoff to run position. After 6 seconds, EAFR stopped recording at 8 hours 9 minutes 11th second. Now what is the total? First 5 seconds, next 5 seconds 10 seconds, next 13 seconds, that is 23 seconds, next add 6 seconds, 29 seconds. Just have a look in this, the difference between these two, but the starting point is same, ending point is same. Start the recording. Now I will start playing the record video. At an appropriate time, I will start the stop clock. Watch. It recorded 15 seconds.